Okay guys, so real basic question, and this is answered pretty well in the lecture, but what is a sedimentary rock? We said that a igneous rock was one that cooled from molten magma. What then is a sedimentary rock?
Layered.
Layered is a good keyword there, sedimentary. What else is it?
Imagine it's a rock made from, I guess it would be a variety of rocks and minerals that came from some kind of erosion into a certain area, like the bottom of a river, and over a lot of time and pressure became another rock.
Really good, really good. So a sedimentary rock is a rock that started out as one type of rock. It can be any type of rock, igneous, sedimentary, or metamorphic. That rock got eroded into sediment by erosional processes, usually water running over it, sometimes chemical as well. That sediment was then transported somewhere. That sediment was then laid down in layers, and then through time and pressure, it was compacted into a rock. So we have several processes, right? We have erosion, transport, deposition, and lithification. These four processes are what we generally think of when we think of sedimentary rocks, starting out with one rock getting eroded, that into sediment, that sediment being transported, that sediment being deposited, and then that sediment being lithified through lithification, pressure, into a sedimentary rock. So now in the following videos, we're going to talk about the different types of sedimentary rocks we have and how we identify them.